Hey folks, just 6 days away now from the 2017 solar eclipse. They call it the Great American Eclipse. This will be the first eclipse to go coast to coast from the west coast all the way to the east coast in 99 years. There have been a lot of annular eclipses, which is when the sun isn't quite completely blocked out by the moon. There have been some that have gone across a corner of the country someplace, but from coast to coast, first one in 99 years, and it's going to be total right along this white line. So down here where we are in the valley, we're looking at about 50% coverage. So imagine that being a yellow sun right there, just partially covered by the moon, but up here in the middle of the country, it'll be total. And these are the conditions the computers are forecasting right now. We're going to be right about here in St. Joseph, Missouri. Hopefully the conditions will be good as the models are suggesting right now, but you can see if it's red, it's not so good. Now, let's look at what we can expect in the valley. Of course, you won't see the moon because the other side's lit up by the sun behind it. But starting at 11:47 a.m., that's first contact, when the sun first starts to disappear behind the moon. Don't forget your special glasses, okay? At about 1:14 is when it's at its peak, and that's when about 51% of the sun will disappear behind the moon. It'll be a gradual process, and then it'll begin to reemerge, and by 2:41, that'll be last contact. The sun will be back to full again. And again, you're not going to see the moon, but just putting it up there for illustration purposes. So that's next Monday. Let's look at what's going on now. Temperatures across the valley in the 80s, 83 to 86 across the area. Winds still up a little bit, 15 to 20 miles an hour in most areas, all out of the southeast. Dew points are up as well in the 70s valley-wide, 78, 79 in the lower valley. The average is about 76 right now, so we're all really humid across the area. Now, as we go through the next few days, Future Track does hint at some moisture tomorrow and maybe a brief shower, but not much. I think 95% of the area is probably rain-free tomorrow. Thursday, another mostly sunny and hot day, and Friday, model trying to hint at a brief shower, but I don't think we'll see much. Friday should be a dry day as well. So 10% and then dry for Thursday and Friday. High temperatures, the norm or the average for this time of year is 97. We should be above that at 99, 100, and 99. Tropics are getting interesting. We'll look at that in the next half hour, but for now, it's just that ridge controlling things. Likely will continue to do so all the way through the next several days, giving us no major chance of rain anytime soon. So tonight, 81 for a low, mainly clear. Yes, it's humid. The wind will die down some, and then tomorrow, back to 99. Breezy conditions again. Isolated showers possible, but we're talking 10% or less. We're dry Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Maybe 10% again Monday, Tuesday, but still sunshine should dominate all the way through the weekend. Highs near 100, lows near 80. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel?